झी 24 तास एक पाऊल पुढे.
Jewelry looks well on a casual basis, or even if you want to glam something up or de-glam something. It's a personality, I think. You know, like this kind of jewelry.
Well, the jewelry goes with my character. It's very feminine. There's a ring that I wear throughout the film, which is pink. You know, and pink is my favorite color even in my real life. When you're a pink person, it just immediately says it's all girly, all Barbie dollish. And I think she's a sexy Barbie doll. Ain't nobody gonna run the race like me.
Everything that we're shooting with today is are pieces that we've used in the movie, keeping my character in mind. But yes, I think a lot of the pieces, especially the necklace and the cuff that I've worn more than once, which we're actually not supposed to do. I loved the neck piece and I loved the cuff, and I've worn it in a couple of important scenes. And I think the fact that their designs are so modern yet traditional and delicate, and I think that makes you want to keep wearing their pieces over and over again.
Each and every actress has a very specific character to herself. When we started working on it, we were given a brief in terms of what the character is. So each and every piece has been designed, and each actress has her own distinct line.
Yeah, I'm coming back to the race. Tell me if you're ready, can you take the pace? Twist on a turn, gonna make you see. Ain't nobody gonna play good like me.
We paired it up with like some denims, you know, like... It's really cool because it could be from anywhere. It's got diamonds at the same time it's got gold. I love the fact that it's got coins, that it's chunky, and it's the only piece of accessory that you'd need to wear.
I like these bangles. They're, you know, got a little bit of beaten gold, and they're matte and got the diamonds in, and they're quite like funky. Also, what I'm wearing right now, it's very girly. Like you wear even just a white shirt, pair of jeans, or the neutral colors on this. It's so pretty and delicately falls like a little waterfall. It goes with deeper necks.
Also, what works is the fact that it has gold and diamonds, so it has this gold and silver mix. So it goes with both. You can wear it with something that has like an outfit that has silver and also an outfit that has gold. You don't have to wear it with only silver, only gold.
We're coming back to the race. Yeah, I'm coming back to the race. Tell me if you're ready, can you take the pace? Twist. Undercover, cold like ice.
Treated as a single standalone campaign, you know, not just as a in-film promo, but as a standalone campaign, because jewelry is very different for each of the three characters, you know, so we've used different sets for the three characters.
My character is actually someone who is very edgy, very grungy, kind of dark, lives life on the edge, you know, loves adventure sports. So you get to see that a lot in my character. So I would actually say that she's quite complex, you know, throughout the movie.
Very cute, very bubbly character, who's also a bit of a ditz. She actually asks very sensible questions in a very stupid way at a very stupid time.
The name of my character is Alina, and she's this really shrewd girl who uses her appeal and her charm to sort of get her way through and to get her work done.
झी 24 तास एक पाऊल पुढे.